Hello. Welcome on the third Playwright session. Thank you for your likes, guys. I really appreciate for your thumbs up. Please leave a comment. It's super important for me, so do that. And yes, show me some love on my Instagram as well. Ooh, I love the Iowa stuff. And yes, join my Telegram channel as well, where I will post some links, learning materials as well. So today's session is about Playwright again. I will show you today how to not record the script, but type it manually. Since in your feedback you're saying, hey, okay, Russell, you show us how we can record script, but what if I want to write it manually? Could you give more hands-on about it? So please, I will do that. Also, I will show you in this session how to take screenshot. So yeah, it's enough to talk. Let's go to our computers. Restart. So this is our page for the movies, right? Wherever you want to. And the next job was to find my favorite anime Naruto. Let's assume we are on the home page, right? Very first thing, we even not on the films. Let's assume we're on a base URL, right? Let's assume we're here. Our first step will be to locate this anime. As soon as we locate that, we need to click on that and find my favorite anime Naruto, right? Click enter. As soon as we find our anime, we should click on that, right? We should click on that. And then I need to take a screenshot of this page, that its anime is here, and do assertion that its text is presented. That's what we are going to do. So let's start step by step. Coming back where we left our stuff, and by the way, who didn't watch the previous session, so please go to my YouTube channel, find the playlist and watch it. Basically, that's pretty much it. So let's assume we don't want to use recorders. We will do everything manually. So we will start that we will create one of the TypeScript class. Let's call it anime. Again, it's TypeScript format, so don't forget to put .ts, right? And let's compare what do we have here. Let's go to the movies. What do we need? Probably we need our page and expect if we want to do assertions, or if not, we will see. Let's say we do. So basically you can copy it from here. You do need type it again. Copy pasting, it's a key to success. But yeah, what this line means. Import means hey, go and take the specific library. In this case, we need the library page, and it's an alloc of your WebDriver in Selenium. If you want to read more about it, hold the command, click on page, and you will see all documentation about what it does. Basically, this we call it instance, which launch a browser for us, which we can specify Firefox, Chromium based, like Firefox, Chrome, I guess Chromium based, that's it. Or for example, Safari as well, which is not Chromium based though. Okay, now we have that. Then we will specify the library which we are going to use. In this case, we're saying, hey, Playwright test. Okay, we have our library now. Let's see what else do we need. Okay, we need to create a constructor, and in this constructor we will have an object where we store all the methods, and we will call the methods we need. Okay, let's just copy it from here. Don't need to create new one, no need. On the next line, just call it anime, the class name, right, with a capital. Okay, and our constructor successfully created. Right, now we need to create the method. And the method creation we will do here. Let's go back to anime. It's complaining. Why it's complaining? I guess because we didn't close the class. We're missing one of them, curly braces. Now it will not complain. So okay, let's start write our methods manually. Let's make our hands dirty. First of all, we need to create a method which will go to the specific resource where we keep our anime, right? Since we are not storing any base URL in our config file yet, which I show you in a future session, follow session, we need to introduce it in each method. Or we can create the method and call it by using inheritance. It's also possible TypeScript. It makes functional JavaScript to bring the feature of object-oriented languages. But we don't go too deep. Let's assume we will write each method, right? For the better understanding here. First of all, it will be a synchronized method. Why it's asynchronized? Because we don't have here waits like implicit, explicit waits, wait for element clickability, visibility, wait for element attached to the DOM. We don't need that. So whatever is available, it will go and hit. Wherever is, if it's failed, it will continue to look for different methods. Next steps, kind of soft, no hard. Okay, let's call it find Naruto. Right? Find Naruto. Our method is created. Now we want to wait. What we want to wait? This page. Go to now as a string we need to provide URL. Where is the URL? This is URL, right? Now we have our URL. So basically in this line number 10, browser will open and go to this specific URL. As soon as we are at this location, right, we need to click and find, let's go to the base page. As soon as we're here, we need to find and search anime here, right? Or we directly can find it in the search anime Naruto. Let's assume we will find it here, so we don't need to click here and do additional search. Directly we will find it here. Okay, let's do that. There are several ways. So let's come here. Let's search locators. One of the options is to use locators, which is coming from the Playwright. So this is by role, by attributes, by placeholder, by alternative text, and so on and so on. But we are showing it for the people who have a Selenium background. So let's assume I want to find exactly CSS or XPath, right? Locate by CSS as a path. Okay, and it's actually giving us the code how we can do that. Await page locator and whatever we need. Okay, let's copy that. Page locator. And it complains because we are saying not general page and we want specific object we have created. So again, Java knowledge, we need this keyword. Okay, and now we need locator. Coming back here, our anime, inspect. Okay, this is my thing. I can use CSS as a XPath. If it would be XPath, it would be like that. ID equals search. No, not like that. Search field. Okay. No, let me copy. Input. Right? We need the root. If it's XPath, it will be like that. If it's CSS, copy CSS selector. Boom. Search field. We found our locator. Now we need to enter the search what we are looking for. So fill, and now what do we want to enter? Naruto. Okay, we fill it. And now, for example, I want to click enter from keyboard, right? And I don't know how to do it, for example. Going back to the documentation, and let's search keyboard. Okay, page keyboard, press. I assume add this one what I need. Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure is it like that or not. We need to run it and see. Yeah, keys are enter. Yeah, I was right, but it's always better to check. Okay, as soon as we hit enter and enter here Naruto, now I need to locate this Naruto, original one. Okay, and let's run the last one. Let's try it with recording. So we will combine both types of scripts, right? Code again. Let me go here. Code again. Not here. Generator. Okay, we enter here, we copy URL, okay, Naruto, enter. Okay. Okay. Copy that method. Now I need to add this comment. Okay, so it's a combination of both. And let me run it. Browser is open. Find it. click on that, we're here. And after that, what I want to do, I want to have a screenshot of entire page as to show the successful result, right? Okay, let me close that. And let's go back to our documentation, the best place ever, right, to be. Screenshots. Capture full page. We copied that. After that, we enter this. We need to add this path. If you do not specify the specific path, it will store you in the root folder right here. If you specify the path, it will store it wherever you want to store. Naruto screenshot. Okay, and this page that wait for timeout, and it's actually showing you 1 second. Okay, let's do 3 seconds. Let's see how it will help us. Here we go. Entire screenshot is here. That's what I wanted to show you guys. Cool thing, right? Another funny thing that I want to show you. It's actually reports which I showed you before, right? Remember in the previous session, reports. HTML we need, right? HTML reporter. 1 second. Here. Terminal, and now I want to see it in HTML. It's a fun thing to see. I want you to see, guys. Generator. Okay. It's running. All the HTML reports now. Okay. Okay. Now it will open the reports. npx show reports. Okay. Show reports. Okay, reports are here. So all the tests are run, right? But I showed it in the previous videos. No fails. The best anime in the universe, Naruto. I click here, right? And also you can see the page screenshot. So you can know other screenshots or not. So you can modify the reports, the steps, everything here. So thank you a lot. I will post my code on my repository, so stay tuned. All the description and my social media in below. Please subscribe. Thank you guys for everything. See you later. Bye.